Amazon, you know it, you probably love it. It's a name that has become synonymous with online shopping. It's where we go for almost anything, from the latest tech gadgets to everyday household items. Amazon has it all. Books, movies, clothes, even groceries. Amazon is everywhere. It's like a one-stop shop for all your needs. Millions of people use it every day. It's become a part of our daily lives, making shopping convenient and hassle-free. That's a lot of customers. And with so many people relying on Amazon, customer service becomes crucial. With so many shoppers, Amazon needs great customer service. They understand that a happy customer is a loyal customer, and they really try to deliver it. Their team is dedicated to resolving issues and answering questions promptly. Whether you have a question or a problem, Amazon wants to help. They offer multiple channels to ensure you get the support you need. But how do you actually reach them? Don't worry, it's easy. Amazon has streamlined the process to make it user-friendly. There are several ways to get in touch with Amazon's customer service. You can call, email, or use their live chat feature. In this guide, we'll walk through the simplest ways to contact Amazon. From navigating their website to using the app, we've got you covered, because shopping should be fun, not frustrating. Let's make your Amazon experience as smooth as possible. Amazon is serious about customer service. They want you to be happy. Happy customers come back for more. Here are some amazing facts about their support team. Millions of customers helped every day. Support available in many languages. Dedicated teams for different issues. These numbers show how much Amazon cares. They put a lot of effort into helping their customers. That's good news for us. Sometimes talking to a real person is easiest. Amazon gets that. Here's how to call them. First, find your country's Amazon website. Then, scroll to the bottom of the page. Look for help or customer service. Click and find the phone number. Call and explain your issue clearly. It's that simple. A friendly voice will be there to assist you. Section 4, click Send, contacting Amazon via email. Prefer to write it down? Email works too. Follow these steps to get in touch with Amazon's customer service team via email. First, go to the Amazon website by opening your preferred web browser and typing in www.amazon.com. Next, find the customer service section just like you did when looking for the phone number. This section is usually located at the bottom of the home page. Then, look for an Email Us or Contact Us button. This will direct you to a form where you can send your email. Choose the topic that best fits your problem from the drop-down menu. This helps Amazon direct your email to the right department. Finally, write a clear and polite email. Be sure to include all relevant details, such as your order number, the issue you're facing, and any other pertinent information. Amazon usually responds to emails within 24 hours, so keep an eye on your inbox for their reply. Section 5. Chatting with Amazon Instant Help online. In today's fast-paced world, getting quick assistance is crucial. Want help right away? Try Amazon's chat feature. It's designed to provide immediate support for any issues or questions you might have. First, go to the customer service section again. This is your gateway to a plethora of support options. Look for chat or live chat. These options are usually prominently displayed to ensure you can find them easily. Click to start a chat window. This will open a direct line of communication with Amazon's support team. Type your question and hit enter. Be as detailed as possible to get the most accurate help. A customer service agent will reply to you in real time. They are trained to handle a wide range of issues efficiently. It's like texting with Amazon. Fast and convenient. You can resolve your issues without any hassle. Good customer service is super important. It can make or break your experience with a company. It builds trust and makes us feel valued. When you know you can rely on quick support, it enhances your overall experience. Amazon knows that, and they try hard to provide the best experience for their customers. Their commitment to customer satisfaction is evident in their efficient support system. So next time you have a question or a concern, don't hesitate to reach out. The chat feature is there to make your life easier. Amazon is there to help. Whether it's a simple query or a complex issue, their team is ready to assist you promptly.